Hi guys, Hortensia here. Welcome back and welcome to a new video. Welcome to my channel. If it's the first video that you are watching on my channel, feel free to subscribe and push the like button. So today I wanted to do something really simple. I wanted to show you guys some of my outfit combination with some black paperback pants. So let's get started and let's see how it works. I'm starting with this base, this black and white base with my black hat, these black soft boots that I'm wearing right now, and we are going to see how it goes. So keep watching.
Like I said, guys, I wanted to make a simple video with some simple styling ideas, so that's why I'm starting with this black and white outfit. I'm adding a black blazer to the white shirt and the black pants and styling it with this double buckle belt with the gold details on it. It's some simple styling. It's really easy to recreate, nothing big here, but I really like it. It's simple, it's fresh, it's clean. You can add some color if you want to, and that's what I'm doing with this second outfit. I wanted to add a little bit of color, so that's why I'm adding this lilac blazer and the belt bag. I feel like bags are like great accessories. Like if you just want to go out and you don't want to wear your big bag or your bag that you wear to work, for example, just add a belt bag to your jacket or your blazer and it just completes your outfit very well. And I'm having these snake print boots that add a little bit of print to the outfit as well. It's really simple. I really like it. So for the next outfit, I wanted to do something really simple as well, so that's why I was thinking about adding a little bit of print. And to the snake print boots, I am adding this stripe shirt. It's a really simple shirt, but I'm going with a mix as a style print mix vibe on this one. It's really easy. You just have to like add another print on the top to make your outfit a little bit more fun. I like doing this. It's really easy. Don't hesitate to try it. And I wanted to add a denim jacket. You can add a regular denim jacket if you want, so I didn't want to do it here. I'm adding this oversized jacket that I really like. It's like a, how can you say it, utility jacket. It's a utility jacket but in denim. It's really simple to wear and it completes your outfits really well. So for the next outfit, we are going to stay on the style or the on the print mix vibe, and that's why I am now playing with this leopard print shirt, and we are going to add another great piece for the fall and winter season. It's the faux leather shirt. Like you have faux leather in different variations right now. A faux leather jacket, faux leather shirts, faux leather pants. It's really up to you to choose which one is much more suitable for your style and what you want to. And so you have the zebra print boots. So we are still on the print mix vibe here, but we are staying in the same color palette. I feel like I could have make this outfit a little bit better in adding a belt to the shirt or closing the shirt. Like you can style this outfit different ways. So for the next outfit, I wanted to do something really simple as well. That's why I'm just wearing a black asymmetric top. I really love this top. It's really simple. Like, keep in mind that I'm just doing simple outfit. You can accessorize, like add necklaces, or add earrings or hats, and just just to complete your outfit the way you want. So I really love this simple shirt. It's a monochromatic look, but it works. I really love it. Tell me in the comment if you're a fan of the shirt as well, or if you don't like it that much. So we continue with the next outfit, and for the next outfit we are styling this white shirt. Oh, sorry, not the white shirt. We are styling a denim shirt, and I wanted to add another denim piece because I feel like it works well with black as well. I feel like denim works with everything, really everything. You can mix denim with leather, with faux leather, with prints, with colors. It's really up to you. So I'm wearing this denim shirt with the big collar detail that's really on trend right now. I don't know if you are a fan, but I'm a big fan of big collars on denim shirts, or just white blouses and stuff. And I'm wearing the snake print boots as well. I feel like it completes the outfit well. To add another layer to the outfit, I decided to add this sleeveless pullover or knit top to make the outfit a little bit more colorful. You can leave the top if you don't like it. Like, you have different variations of the top as well. You have those that are oversized. I like them too, but they are great pieces to play with your outfit as well. You can add those sleeveless jumpers to your blouse, to your dresses or long blouses. It's really up to you. So for the next outfit, we are now playing with this white blouse, and with the white blouse we are still on the black and white color palette. It's really simple, but to complete the outfit I wanted to add this great jacket that I really love for this fall and winter seasons, and I added these black boots with platform that are really on trend right now as well. I'm still wearing my hat. I know you have seen it like 1,000 times already. It's another really simple outfit. Like, if you go black and white on the base, you can still add a little bit of print on your jacket and make your outfit a little bit more interesting. So to keep on with the black and white vibe, I am adding this short blazer or this cropped blazer to the next outfit, or to the same outfit, and you see that it still works. It depends on what you want to do. And since we are still playing with the different outfits, and I'm just showing you guys how you can switch your outfits the way you want to, I added these red boots that I really love. Like, it just add a great touch to your outfit. It make your outfit, I don't know, more joyful, I would say. It's really simple, but it's just the details that change the outfits sometimes. So for the next outfit, we are staying on the monochromatic vibe, like black and black. I am wearing this black top, this black blouse with the fringe on the front, and I'm adding this faux leather jacket as to the outfit. It's another simple but great outfit. Like, it works. You can wear it to go out, wear it to a dinner. It depends on your style. Everything depends on your style. You have to choose the pieces you want and then appropriate it, or see what works with the items you have in your wardrobe. I really love this outfit. Really simple, all black, and then the red boots, they add something to the whole outfit. So for the next outfit, I wanted to do another layering piece, so I am wearing this white blouse that I really love. I love the details on the sleeve. They have like this blouse has like this puff sleeve. Like puff sleeves are another on trend details that you have right now, and you can still play with it. So I have the puff sleeve blouse with this corset top, and it just add a little bit of layering to your outfit, and I really love it. It's really simple, still black and white, and then add a little bit of color on the shoes, or just stay with black or white on the shoes. I changed the shoes and I added these combat boots, and I feel like it still works. It depends on your style, but if you don't want to wear heels, you can still wear great combat boots that are going to really add another vibe to your outfit. Love it. And tell me in the comment if you are more a heel person than a combat boot person. But I like both. I really wear everything. I wear heels, flats, sneakers, combat boots. And that's why for the last outfit of this video, I wanted to do something a little bit cozy, like something really cozy, something really easy that you can wear during the weekend. Nothing
So
much.
guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Tell me in the comment section which outfit you liked better. If you have any comments to make on the outfit suggestions I had today, feel free to subscribe and like the video if you liked the idea, and if you want more videos like these, find me on Instagram at this style tips. Thank you again for watching, and see you next week.